right, what is going on, everyone? Happy Thursday. Hope we had a good trading day. A couple of the holdings still continued to move on up. Got stopped out of one, but that's okay. Couple triggered, like LCID triggered, failed. But we move on to, well, actually, let's take a look at SPY first here. So you got SPY, you get a gap up, and then just kind of a flat, not much of anything happened really today. QQQ, same thing, but I do like that they are now holding these months green. So both months flip back green. This weekly looks fantastic. Comes down, tries these guys out. Boom. 3, 2, 2 potential. Rip back into all-time highs. QQQ, same kind of thing. 3, 2, 2-week potential. Then you got IWM at all-time highs, shooter all-time highs. So might be a little profit taking there tomorrow. Dow Jones, 2 down, 2 up week potential to continue back into all-time highs. So let's get into it here. BMNR tried to trigger, didn't end up getting in this one. Kind of just gonna watch this one. I like the potential on the weekly, and I do like this little daily broadening formation here. JANX, so like this one for the weekly, not a daily actionable, but they did just sign a big contract I saw with Bristol Myers Squibb. They're a therapeutics company, so obviously biotech, high risk. But again, price action is price action. You get these buyers stepping up here, and you've just got all these guys that potentially come back through, even in the short interim, even if it doesn't end up getting back all the way up through the monthly here, you've got these guys to trigger here in the short term to get a little bit of a broadening formation started in there. So we're going to keep this one, look for a 15 or 30 entry tomorrow to get in there. LENZ, another friend of ours, had the boom 2-2. Now you get the shooter coming off of this weekly little broadening formation, but then boom, right back after it with the 3 on the daily. So looking for a 3-2 up to keep moving back through these pivots in here. Last one was on the watch list again last night also. MSTR, if Bitcoin's going to start moving, it's these pivots, man. These pivots are very enticing. You got the 2 down, now you got the inside day. I mean, there is just straight shot if we can get Bitcoin back move again and if it wants to go. But again, not going to hold my breath waiting for that one. All right, into the open positions, so only 2 left. Again, head HD, looks like a shooter day. Just going to take my profit out there. I got in way down here, so been a nice ride from the mid 340s there for HD. And then, again, tried to take LCID, found a 15er. Actually, I found, where was it? This little inside 15er. Once it took this 15, so it did the 30, strong buy of a 30 open. Took this kind of inside 15er up, rode it up, and then failed. Ended up getting stopped out of that one. That's okay. Still holding Geo. Just keeps going, man. Keeps on going. Inside day here to get in. Boom, boom, up. A little bit of profit taking. 3, 1, 2 up on the daily. Just boom, boom, boom. Moving, moving, moving. Next one, PTLO. Here's another one, Portillo's. Already got the 3 on the monthly coming back through these pivots here. 3-day explosive day, and then boom, 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 straight up. So again, shooter-ish kind of day. Looks like it could do a little bit of profit taking, so just be wary of that. That's all I've got in terms of the watch list. I did want to show you guys this site that a friend of mine has been working on. It's called Swing the Strat. So he's a Rob Smith disciple. He's been a strat trader. He likes to incorporate other things, but he's been building this website for the past 4 or 5 months now, and I've been kind of demoing it this week for him, and I really like some of the features here. So you can save your own views. So right now I've got 2 down green monthly, so all the months are going to be 2 down, as you can see here. And then what you can do is you can sort by, what I've been liking to kind of get into is sorting by the highest volume here. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to click it again. And then what you can do is you can search the dailies and see what kind of signals there are. So you can look at it here. You can pull up a chart, and you can kind of see the backdrop of it. What I've been doing also is I will find all of my ones, and then so then you can look bullish. So if the bullish, so week, month, and day are all green, none just means the week might be a little red. But then what you can do is you can take all the ones and say, all right, AMC, I like that one. So you got an inside day there. Toggle between both screens. RC, another one. Double inside day here. Bottom of this range here. So you can do that for all of those. You can also go 2 down and green on the daily. Just type in exactly what you're looking for. So you got VGAS. And you've got VRM. So again, plenty of opportunities here. Actually, had not looked at these before I made this watch. I'm just so used to going through Thinkorswim. But again, plenty of opportunities here to look. It's a very cool website. He's been working on this for a while. You can also do 3 up. And then you can sort. So you're seeing the highest volume ones. So that's what you're looking for. Again, if you're an EMA, other kind of trader, relative strength trader, he's got all of those worked in there too. But I like it as a quick just way to get a thorough double check on the market. Oops, let's see, CYTK. There it is. So again, you got the 3 on the daily, 3, 1 on the weekly, looking to take it back up there. So again, very cool website. I believe he's going to start getting invites out from more people here in the next couple days, couple weeks or so. I know this actionable signals page is going to be free. I'm not sure what else is going to be structured in it, but very cool for strat traders. He's put a lot of work into this. So if you're interested, please just reach out to me. I'll throw my Twitter in here, and you guys can look through it if you are interested in exploring more. But that's all I've got for you guys tonight. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. It's supposed to get 8 inches of snow in Michigan on Monday, so for anyone expected to get some weather this week, stay safe, stay warm. Let's hope the power stays on for everyone, and we can get back to the trading desks Monday morning. All right. Have a good week, everyone.